In this lesson, we'll show you how to register and administer a domain name on the GoDaddy.com website. The concepts explored here are applicable to any registrar you decide to use. First, we need to check if your desired domain name is available. To do so, type the domain name into the search bar located here on the GoDaddy.com homepage. I'm just going to use some sample website. If your domain name is available, you'll see this message displayed on the screen. If it's not available, you'll need to search for another domain. Certain domain names might be available, but at a premium price based on their popularity. For example, if we were to search for webdevelopmentcourse.com, we can see that it is available, but the price is much more expensive, around $1,600, and then a renewal cost of $14.99 per year. And this is because it's a premium domain. So be careful when you're registering and make sure you check the price to confirm that you're not paying a premium price for your domain. And you can see that this is not a premium domain, so it's available for $9.99 a year. If we scroll down here, you can see we also have the option of registering the same domain name but with different extensions, and there's many different types of extensions you can choose from. .com is probably the most popular, but you also have .net, .ca, .org, and the list goes on. So if you wanted to add those, you could click the select button next to the corresponding name. But for the purpose of this lesson, we're just going to register a single domain name. So click the select button, and once you see the check mark next to selected, click the continue to cart button. Okay. By clicking the selected button, we've added this to our shopping cart, and now we're just proceeding to checkout.